Hey, I'm actually working or trying to solve a problem. I think I have solved a problem, but on my refrigerator, I have a Whirlpool French door style. It has the freezer on the bottom and the two doors on top. And what's been happening is every couple of days, probably once a week or so, I get water on the front right of my refrigerator. And first we thought it might be somebody dropping an ice cube in there, but you know, when it happened over and over several times at the same spot, we kind of thought that the odds of that happening are pretty slim. So I decided to do a general check, and I found this is a common problem around with the Whirlpool refrigerators. I think the French door ones may be more susceptible than others. Anyway, so I looked underneath for water and I couldn't really find a lot. And then just get a little bit, maybe a quarter cup, so it's not a lot. Anyway, so what seems to be happening was when I guess this thing does a defrost cycle in the middle of the night, and the next morning when you wake up, there's a little puddle of water on ours. So I looked underneath and I couldn't find anything obvious on the front, because that's where the water's generating. So maybe my floor slanted a little bit so the water drips and ends up that area. But so anyway, what I found was, you know, I probably had, what I figured I probably had a frozen defrost drain line. But my refrigerator's not showing any ice anywhere inside the refrigerator. So anyway, I decided to take the back off, and let me show you what I found. So here is my drain, my defrost drain there, or whatever, where the water's supposed to be, and it's dry as a desert. I mean, obviously there was some water in there at one time, but there's nothing in there right now. Well, what feeds that is this squiggly tube right there. Goes up, goes down, up, and back down again, and then all the way down in there. Anyway, what I found was this tube had not a freeze clog in it, but some kind of gunk clog in it. So there's one screw up under here that you take out, and basically you have to take that off, and then you kind of have to wrestle this thing. It's not screwed into the drain or to the water holder or anything like that. You just have to kind of wiggle it out. And what I found, like I said, I shined a light down into the black section of it, the top of it, and I saw gunk of, I guess, what is more or less food particles or what, I don't know. But I found that in there, and I cleaned it out and I put it back in. So hopefully that'll fix the problem. I'm pretty sure it will. But yeah, so anytime you have a water leak that's periodic with these Whirlpool French door refrigerators, check the defrost drain line. It's probably clogged up in one way or another. I tried blowing through that tube and I couldn't blow through it at all. And like I said, there was a nice chunk of gunk in there. So hopefully, hopefully this will help somebody if you run into the same problem. I'm out.